Hello everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for joining me on another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Today I'm going to talk to you about what I think everyone should thrift when they go into a thrift store. As you saw in the first clip, lamps, chairs, and now planters, and also picture frames and ashtrays. Yes, ashtrays, even if you're not a smoker. And I'm going to show you why. You can't go wrong with a nice crystal picture frame. And also, when it's paired with a crystal ashtray, look at how pretty that looks as I made it into my planter water tray. And also here's another ashtray that I bought as well. And as you see here in my bedroom, it's styled by my bedside table and it gives it a more elegant look. And picture frames are always something to look for. Make sure you check those bins because I found this picture frame for just $2. And both ashtrays were only $1 a piece. The USA pottery planter was used in the kitchen and it added a nice whimsical touch to this little area, and I paired it with a really simple plant. This oversized picture was very nice, but I didn't like the picture itself, but I loved the frame. So I did take it and it was only $17. But instead of me using it as the picture, I turned it into a mirror. And here is another picture frame that I picked up for just $2, and it paired very nicely with my mirror that I bought for my foyer. And all of these frames were all thrifted between the prices of $2 and $7. These two were my most expensive. One was $5 and one was $3 because they were Ralph Lauren frames, but that's okay because one sold for $160. And let's not forget about wooden chairs where you just have to reupholster the seat cushion. This English Anglo-Indian teak chair was only $10, and there's one listed on First Dibs for $1,200. I certainly got very lucky on this find. Another item I thrift for are down pillows. I needed a kind of stuffer for my cushion on this sofa here because it was kind of flat. So I bought 2 down pillows for $2 each, and I puffed up my seat cushion on my sofa here. It made a world of difference in the feel and how fluffy it looks now. So that was an easy fix for my cushion. I just sprayed them with some disinfectant, and then I also just ran them through the dryer for a nice hot cycle to kill any other kind of buggies or whatever, if there may be some in there. But I've been lucky, so thank God for that. But yes, it made such a difference in the cushion, and this sofa feels so much better. So guys, there you have it. These are all my thrift finds that I think that are worth taking a look at when you go into the thrift stores. These are always my go-tos. I love looking for my picture frames. That is something that to me is just so important to look for because you save so much money by getting them at a thrift store. Now, by all means, don't just stop at this list. There are so many more things out there that you can find to help decorate your home with. So everyone, this is my goal at Viva La Vintage for your home. It's just to continue to inspire you to thrift your house into a home. It doesn't have to break the bank, but all you have to do is use a little creativity and keep hunting, and you will find pieces that will help you decorate your home on a budget. I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And also drop me a comment. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.